Hello, yes, I have the same clothes from the other video, but it's because I don't want to say everything in one video. I want to answer every single question in different videos. This is something that I always ask, and I was looking for this a lot. So it's how to grow up in OnlyFans. That is the hardest thing. It took me forever to figure out how to do it. I was watching videos, these girls were just talking too much shit like I am doing right now, but I'm going to be straight on the point. First, please grow your numbers. What you're going to do first before paying and before doing all this stuff, have pictures on your profile. You see on the top where it says the number of the pictures, the number of the videos, and likes you have, and the followers if you have them activated. Well, you need to grow those numbers because people see those numbers a lot. At least I do. Have at least 20 pictures, like all of them. I start following other girls and just ask them to do like for like. I'll get at least 100 likes. When you have 100 likes, that's really easy to get. Just ask like for likes to all of girls. You can't ask them. Just go follow me. I will leave my link below. Go follow me and go to my post, and you will see on the comments a lot of girls commenting stuff. Follow those girls and ask them if they want to do like for like. They will tell you yes mostly, so don't worry about it. So after you have the likes, it's time to the fun part. So there are different ways to promote yourself. First, only on OnlyFans. That's what I'm doing right now. I was doing Twitter before. I was doing Periscope before. I'm going to tell you each. If you're going to do it out of OnlyFans, you have different places where to do it. Starting with Twitter. Twitter is the easiest way to gain followers if you know how to use it. So what I do is, for Instagram and Twitter, I have this app called Later. I'm going to leave the app on the description of this video. This app, what it's going to do is you program the posts you want to do. Every Sunday, I schedule all the posts that are going to be for the week or the next week. And that way I don't have to worry about posting stuff every single time. So this app is free. You can do one post daily on Instagram, and I do about 3 on Twitter. So the important thing is Instagram, you don't use OnlyFans hashtags, or you don't use anything sexual related because they can delete your account. You're going to post pictures looking like this, normal clothes. And try to not mention OnlyFans. They will block you. Just don't do it. Just put your link tree on the biography and that. just be careful with Instagram. Nothing sexual. Just in the messages you can say, if you want to see more, just go follow me here. Just put your link tree link. Yes, Instagram is really family friendly, so be careful. And then you have Twitter. You can post everything in Twitter, like whatever you want. Just use the right hashtags. I use OnlyFans, I use selling pictures, stuff like that. I don't know, selling content and buying content. You have to use those hashtags and people just will follow you. And if you do feed, or if you do whatever, just use something that is related to you. If you, for example, I'm Latina, I use hashtag Latina just because guys want to see Latinas. And again, do not post anything for free. Don't do it. Just do underwear, or just do swimsuits, or just do normal clothes. Trust me, if you do that, you will have more chances to sell a nude. So it's easier to sell a picture than to sell a video, because a video takes you forever. Like a video, you need to put time, you need to put your body and stuff, you need to edit those videos. A picture, you just take the picture, send the picture, and charge for the picture. $3, $4, $5, $10 for a picture. I charge $20 for just one picture. So be smart and don't do anything for it. There are a lot of girls that do it. So you're different and you're beautiful and you're smart and you are like everything. So don't do shit for free. Next one is Facebook. I don't promote myself on Facebook because I have my family in there, but you can do it. You can start like following people, or no, adding friends, but I don't know how they do it very well. I'm really scared about it. You can join groups where you can find potential clients, but I am really scared about Facebook. So be careful. If you have your family, just create a new Facebook for that. Now, Reddit. Please do not waste your time on Reddit. You don't know how to use Reddit. You haven't used Reddit ever. Like, it's your first time using Reddit. Don't use it. Don't waste your time in Reddit because it takes time to grow up in there. Like, it can take you like years to grow up in there. So don't do it. Like, if you are starting on Reddit, don't use Reddit. Don't waste your time on Reddit. I cried a lot because of that. I used a lot of time in there and I got like 200 on karma after like working a lot. So you don't understand Reddit, do not use Reddit. You understand Reddit and you have a lot of karma, use Reddit. But if you don't waste your time because you're going to be depressed and you're going to be like, this piece of shit is not working for me. So no. Next one. I have too much energy right now. Next one is live streams stuff. I was using Periscope before. Sadly, Periscope closed. It's not working anymore. So, but I got like, I was getting 100 people daily on Periscope. And I was so happy. And then it closed and deleted my account and it's not working anymore. So you can go to Twitch. Twitch takes forever to help you grow up. But you can go to Twitch, you can go to Facebook Gaming, you can go to all these stream platforms. All you have to do is have charisma. If you don't talk, I'm shy, but if you are okay talking on camera, all you have to do is like talk to them. Don't be pretty, don't be like that because they're going to get bored. Talk to them, be different, be happy, be like, oh my god, guys, whatever, hello. No, just get crazy, get creative, and be happy, and just get crazy. That's what they like. They don't want to see someone looking pretty, because if they want to do that, they just go to Instagram and see these beautiful girls with a lot of makeup looking pretty, and that's it. So you have to be like entertaining if you're going to do live streams to get clients for OnlyFans. So yes, now this is my favorite part, my favorite way how to grow up on OnlyFans is doing share for share, or shout out for shout out, whatever is the name, S for S. Promoting yourself on OnlyFans is the best way and the fastest way to grow up, because all the people that you need to get are straight there in OnlyFans. They don't have to move from an app to another one. They are already in OnlyFans. So what I do is once a month I pay to this huge page. It's called Models 101. I'm going to leave their profile on the description. But yeah, I pay them like $150. It's a lot of money, but listen to me, I get always over 500 people every time I do that. Then I pay to other people. I pay to small pages. I have this page that I pay them $80 monthly, and they just share my profile every single day. Like every single day they are like sharing my profile, and I get like a lot of people. I get like 200 people from them monthly, and it's cool. Then this is like the part that you have to put money. You need to invest if you want your business to grow up. This is not something that you do like for fun. You need to put money on it. You need to buy lingerie, you need to buy clothes, you need to buy promotion, you need to invest in it, because a business only grow up if you put money and love in your business, and time, of course, but a lot of money. If you don't put money, it's not going to grow up. So now, share for share, shout out for shout out, S for S, however you call it, basically is you tell this girl, hey, post me and I will post you. That's it. So what I do is once a month I schedule all my girls for the month, and they do the same to me, so I don't have to worry about that. Like I have everything scheduled. Like I'm so picky with like doing all the stuff on the same day, because I will get crazy. So yeah, what I do is I check that this girl is not posting 20 other girls at the same time, because I only post one girl daily, and then that's it. I don't want my profile look like a magazine of other girls, so I just do one, and I check that the girl I'm posting does the same. One or two girls, I'm fine with that. But some girls, like, they post like 20 other girls. Please don't do drops. Do not do drops. I'm telling you. And it's not because you're not going to get followers. You will get followers, but you will get the cheap ass motherfuckers. And also, guys hate that so much. Every time I talk to guys, because I have a lot of conversations with them. Every time I talk to them, they just tell me, oh, I love you because you don't post 20 girls on your feed and I actually can see your pictures. And I'm like, I know, because I respect my job. I respect my own profile, and I don't want to be like a lot of girls, you know, if they want to see my pictures, they have to scroll down a lot. Don't do that. Don't do drops. Please, if you don't know what is a drop, is basically you go to Telegram and they have this group with like thousands of girls. They post their pictures and their username. And one time we're going to post 20 girls at the same time for like 1 hour. And then when you are on the feed, you see all these girls like posting over and over and over with like terrible pictures. I'm like, no! Oh, that is another thing. Your picture for promotion have to be the best picture you have. I usually do 1 or 2 pictures and that's it. I don't do more. Because, and I don't do collages or anything like that because it looks ugly as fuck and it looks cheap as fuck. And girl, let me tell you something, you're not cheap, you're expensive ass bitch, period. So yeah, we don't do that in here. You want money, you have to be expensive and you have to be exclusive and you have to be cute. And yes, so yeah, that's how we do it. Now, the pictures and the captions you have to put. I do underwear pictures, I do bathing suit pictures, and I do pictures like this, like looking completely normal. Because all the girls, what they do is they just post their boobs, their booty, their pussy, and when you scroll down on the feed and all you see is pussy, and then you see someone that is not showing their pussy, you stop and you're like, what the fuck is wrong with this girl? Why is she not posting nudity or like anything? And then the guys are going to be like, what? Let me go text her just because she looks interesting. She doesn't look like all the girls I'm following. So yeah, that is my best advice for you. And that's the reason why I do clothing stuff and not naked and shit, because everybody do it and I think it's like, okay, go with that. So next one, let me see. Oh yeah, the caption you have to post. Honestly, and I'm going to be like really honest, be simple. Don't post like a fucking testament, a like huge test saying what you do, that you do solo, that you do boy girl, that you do girl girl, that oh my god, that is, oh my god, you don't have to. Just listen, my captions are, go follow this Latina. I think that's it. Oh, like this is the best Latina you can tell, or like, so this is my favorite one, and this one says, give yourself a Latina. And Paola Moon, that's my username, is the one you need. Go check her account, it's free. Pow, my username again and my link. That's it. You don't need to complicate too much. Okay, also you need to see what the fuck is going on around. So if it's football season, or if it's like whatever, you just mention that. So guys are going to be like, oh my gosh, it's fun. So right now it's summer right here. So this is what my caption says. Caribbean vibes is what you need this summer, and Paola Moon, that's me, can give you some of that. Go subscribe and see what I'm talking about. My username again and my link. That's it. You have to put your username always. This is how you create the best caption for you. Username, try to put it at the beginning. So you say your name, for example, my name is Paola. Paola is this fucking thing. So then your niche, mine is Latinas, or guys are into Latinas. So I say, always mention that I am Latina, or I am a Caribbean girl, or shit like that, that, you know, make them like fell in love or something. If you are a fit girl, if you are a whatever, you just mention that. So important. First, username, who are you? Like, what is the most thing that represents you? If you're a gamer, if you are like, you know, into cosplays, whatever, no one's going to judge you. Just say it. Say that, and then tell them a little bit of why they should follow you. Sometimes I say, I am not going to call you daddy, I'm going to call you papi. So they're like, this is the girl I need because she's going to call me papi. So just say stuff like that. And you know, like, go follow her because this is what, I don't know, something like that, really short. Just use 2-3 lines. You don't need much. Guys don't read. Like, guys are so lazy. You need to go to the point. You need to give them exactly what they want, and that's it. So yeah, that's it. Always put your link. If that girl doesn't want to put their link, it's okay. Don't use the link. Use just the username. But always add something that calls their attention. You have to sit down and think, what the fuck I'm going to give to these people. Just don't say, go follow me, go follow. Or, my god, I think like this girl, she paid me for promotion. Okay, so she paid me for promotion, and she just used her username and say go follow her, and then put a picture of her face. And I was like, no one is going to follow you just because you're not giving them anything. Like, please just say something. Say what you're going to give them, why they have to follow you. What is the reason why? If it's just your picture and you're like, you're not going to do anything. So important, don't be too short, don't be too long, don't say everything you offer because it looks cheap and it looks like you're desperate to have them. So just be like, listen, I'm a bad bitch, this is what I have for you. You don't like it, you can leave. You like it, come here and let me talk to you. Pow, period. That's what you have to do. So now, I'm sorry, I don't know, I am on 22 minutes right now. Hopefully this video is going to be 10 minutes because I talk way too much. I'm going to delete way too much stuff. Please use my referral link if you haven't created your OnlyFans account yet. I will give you some free shoutouts and I will help you to grow up your account if you haven't used, like, if you don't, you know, I will give you free tips. So I will help you, don't worry. I needed someone that helped me before. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it a lot. I hope you had fun. And I hope you fucking grow up in this fucking OnlyFans things because you need to make money. And don't forget, my girl, that you're fucking beautiful. It doesn't matter if you're a big girl, if you're fucking skinny as fuck, if you are like, I don't know, whatever, you're fucking beautiful. And please, if you have any questions, just please leave it on the comments. I will answer to everything because I have way too many questions, like fucking crazy. There are questions that I was looking for like crazy, like how to get engagement. Like, that was my main thing because I had thousands of followers and they were not paying me, and I finally figured out how to have engagement. So this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this thing, and I see you soon. Please don't forget to tell me something beautiful. Oh, another thing, drop your link or your username on the comments so that way you all can help you all and just, you know, do all this stuff. Goodbye.